Hi everyone, welcome back to the Bull Co channel. Now today we've got a fantastic maths video for you. And you might be looking at this table and looking at all the things you can see and thinking, how is this a maths video? Well, I'm going to tell you, because today we're going to be learning all about capacity. And we're going to be using water to see how much water, got a big bowl of water here, we can fit in these small containers. And you're going to be helping me keep count of how much water goes in each one. Now, it's a bit of a messy video, and if you've got an outside area or a garden, I would suggest maybe doing this there so you don't cause as much mess. However, I don't have an outdoor area or a garden, so I'm doing it right in my kitchen, which means you can too. Now I've got three what we call Tupperware, 3 containers here. But if you don't have these, you could do it with bowls or cups or glasses or whatever you've got available to measure different amounts of water. Now, I've got 3 containers, all with a different letter. Over here we've got the letter A, here we've got the letter B, and here we've got the letter C. Now, you can see here, this is a special measuring jug, and it's got lots of big numbers. That's the number 100, 200, 300, 400. So that's in millilitres, and that's half a litre there, and this is in pints. Okay, so we've got lots of numbers there. Now, we could measure it with that. Now, just in case you don't have that at home, or those numbers are too big, we're going to measure with cups. You can use any cup, any mug, whatever works for you. I've got this mug for Mr. Walcott on it. So, before we start, I want you to have a little think. I want you to have a think, looking at these containers, which one do you think will take the most water? Now have a look, think about how wide they are, how long they are, how deep they are. Which one, letter A, letter B, or letter C? Now well, that is called having an estimate. We're going to estimate how much water we think can go in. So how many cups, this is our cup, a little estimate. Well, how many cups do you think we're going to get into letter A? How many do you think we're going to get into letter B? And how many do you think we're going to get into letter C? And hopefully that will tell you which one you think is going to have the most water. So, hope you've had a little think about that. And we're going to start with letter A. So I think this will take, it's pretty tricky, 5 cups. You might think less, you might think more. Let's find out. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh, let's have a look at it. Is that full yet? Oh, I don't think so. We've still got lots more room. My guess wasn't very good, was it? My estimate. So let's keep going. 6. 7. 8. Oh, we can get a little bit more in. And we're going to stop there. 9. So that took 9. So I'm going to take my pen. It's reliably behind my ear. I'm going to write the number 9. Like so. And I'm going to put that on our A had 9. Now, next we're going to do B. How many cups do we think are going to get into container B? Do we think it's going to be less than 9, which was A, or more than 9? I think it's going to be less. I think it's going to be 2. I wonder what you think at home. Shall we find out? One. It's nearly full. See if we can get any of the second in. Oh, I had to stop there because we're full. Now, if you look in that cup, you'll see there's still some water in it. So it wasn't quite 2. Now, sometimes you'll hear this word lots as you're getting older. We're going to say that it's about, if it got up to here, so half, we're going to say it's half full. Because if you divided the cup into two equal parts, imagine this is our cup. Mr. Walcott's not very creative, remember. That was our cup, and we split it into 2. This bit's get water in, and this bit hasn't. So we're going to say that that had 1 full cup and 1 half. Now I'm going to write that in words. So it's 1, which I know you all know how to write, and a half. That's a bit of a tricky word. And a, starts with a h. 1 and a half. Now B's a little bit small, so I'm going to have to put that on the bottom. So it means 1 and a bit, 1 and a half. So we've got that A had 9 and B had 1 and a half. Right, now we need to measure container C. So we have that A had 9, B had 1 and a half, and C. Do you think C is going to have more or less than these other 2 containers? And how many of these cups, will help you out here, how many of these cups do you think are going to be needed, to fill container C? Let's find out. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7, and that is right to the top. So I'm going to write 7 on this one. So we have measured our 3 containers. Which one has the most and which one has the least? Let's put them in front of us here. So the one with the biggest number we have here, the one that took the most cups was letter A. The first one, so well done if you guessed that at the start as you thought would have the most cups of water. And the one with the least was container B, with just 1 and a half. That was a really small one. So if we're going to put them in order, it's going to be a tricky one, but Mr. Walcott's going to try it. He's got his tea towel ready in case there's a spillage. We were going to put them in order from biggest to smallest. We have the biggest one there. And the second biggest one there. And the smallest one there. So we'll swap them 2 around. Post-it note's got a bit wet, sorry everyone. Like that. They're in size order. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a go at yourself at something really similar. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.